Tomorrow we begin the third book, the third Chumash of Vayikra, and we read the first portion. The book of Vayikra is also known as the book of sacrifices, the book of Leviticus, because it deals with the sacrifice and the Kohanim who did the service in the Beis Hamikdash. But it's most commonly known as Vayikra. And when one looks into the Torah, one will notice that the word Vayikra, the first word of the book, is spelt with a small letter. The last letter of the word Vayikra, the Aleph, is a small letter. And the question is asked, why is this letter a small letter? Now, our commentaries explain because Moshe Rabbeinu was humble, and therefore he made a small Aleph. He wrote a small Aleph. But perhaps what the Torah is actually telling us over here is that Vayikra is a call to every single Jew. But it says Vayikra al Moshe. God called out to Moshe. So how could it be to every single Jew? And the answer is in the small Aleph. Because every single one of us has a Moshe Rabbeinu within us. We have a spark of Moshe in us. And that's represented by the small Aleph. So Vayikra, God is calling to the small Moshe, to the spark of Moshe Rabbeinu that's found in every single Jew. And we have to know that the entire book tells us that God is calling to every single one of us. And what is the call of Almighty God to us? It's all about sacrifice. Yes. God blessed us with good health, with fortune, prosperity, with happiness and joy, and all the blessing that God gives us. But at the same time, God calls out to us and tells us, listen, from the blessings that I blessed you with, you have to make sacrifice. You have to be ready to give for God. You have to be ready to give for a fellow Jew. And if you are not ready, then remember there's the Moshe Rabbeinu within you. And I call to you and I call to the small Moshe within you to come to the light and show your love to God, show your love to your fellow Jew, and know that you can do it because you have it within you. And I call to you. And just like when you call someone, what happens is the person turns to you. So too when God calls to all of us, Vayikra, God gives us the strength that we need. May God bless us all to be able to celebrate the holiday of Purim with great joy. We should have a blessed Shabbos, and may we merit to see the coming of Mashiach. Shabbat Shalom to you all. Chag Sameach.